to get free UC in PUBG Mobile. Players Unknown Battleground, PUBG is known for its intense action and strategic gameplay. This game is based on the popular Battle Royale genre. In PUBG Mobile, players parachute onto a large virtual map and fight for survival against other players. The last player or team standing wins the match. The game features a variety of weapons, vehicles, and equipment the players can use to gain an advantage over their opponents. PUBG Mobile utilizes Unknown Cash, UC, its in-game currency, which allows players to purchase a variety of in-game items like character skins, weapon camos, and vehicle decals, letting them personalize their appearance in the game. While UC can be acquired through real money purchases, many players seek alternative methods to earn them for free. Here's how to gain UC in PUBG. The in-game challenges offer UC as a reward for your efforts. Keep an eye out for daily, weekly, and special event missions. After completing the missions and some events, you'll get free PUBG UC. PUBG Mobile releases codes on their social media, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter, or website that grant free UC or other goodies. You'll have to stay tuned and redeem any codes that you can find. Put your skills to the test in official or community tournaments. Top performers often walk away with UC prizes. You can check PUBG Mobile Discord servers and social media for upcoming tournaments. In some regions, PUBG Mobile might send occasional messages offering free UC as a bonus. It's important to check your game inbox regularly for any such surprises. You can also request the free UC through PUBG's customer service. However, this method might not be available in all regions, and the acquisition of UC depends on its availability as well.